Audi announces the new Audi A6 in India. Audi has now announced the start of production of the all-new Audi A6 in India at its Aurangabad facility, the same plant that is also currently producing the Audi A4 and Q5 SUV models. More than 2,000 units of the next generation Audi A6 will now run off the production line every year, using the core strengths of its top-of-the-line A8L sedan and its super stylish A7 Sportback models. Audi has given this new A6 model a new distinctive fascia and some serious technology upgrade in the form of a 3-liter TFSI engine that makes up the new A6 even more powerful and efficient than its older generation model. 2011 has been an absolutely sizzling year for the German luxury car maker, starting with the launch of its opulent business class sedan, the Audi A8L, followed by the uprisal of its ultralight super-fast R8 V10 Sports Coupe and its open-top Spider version, and now the A6.